In storytelling, there's a neurological process called neural coupling or mirroring, which means when you're sharing a story with someone, the way that the listener's neurons are firing is actually a very similar way to how the storyteller's neurons are firing, which means when we share a story with someone, they're on the journey with us. They're vested, they're curious, and their brain is actually rewarding them to stay on the journey with us and to listen to the story by releasing our brain's candy, dopamine. So if you want to make a real connection with someone, try to tell stories instead of explaining things to people, pitching things to people, defend yourself from people, or prove yourself to people. Simply share stories. Why? Because stories are from someone's perspective. They're subjective, which means they can't really be disputed. And best of all, when people hear your stories, they'll stay curious. They'll stay vulnerable to see how the story ends, which hopefully is the best part of the story. The thing that we can all learn about storytelling is that number one, it makes a human connection with people. Number two, it empowers us to be more creative in the way that we communicate.